How to contact Instagram customer service. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can contact Instagram customer service. So let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app and then you have to click your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now choose these three horizontal lines on the top right corner and then you have to choose settings and privacy. And now scroll to the bottom of this list and then you have to choose help. And in the help section, choose report a problem. Now you have to click report problem without shaking and then click include and continue. And now you simply have to briefly explain what happened or what isn't working and then click send. And then the Instagram customer service is going to contact you. So that's the process that you can follow to contact the Instagram customer service. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.